Okay, here is the question. On October 11th, 2025, the future value of a sum of money will be $83,800. What would be the present value of this money on June the 9th, 2020? Interest rate is 3.15 compounded quarterly. Okay, so compounded quarterly, that would make this PY value 4. Enter that. And that will also be the same value for CY. I will quit. Second CPT. Now these are the two dates. Right? October the 11th, 2025 and June the 9th, 2020. Okay, so to enter these, I will click on second one, the date, and I will enter this one right here, which is the earlier date. Okay, so that will go in, and I will do that right now. So enter this date first. So that date, the month of June is the 6th month. I go decimal. The 9th day is inserted as 09 or inputted as 09, and then the last two digits of the year is 20. Then I click on enter, and there it is, the 6th month, the 9th day of the year 2020. Okay, the next one is date number 2, and that one I will enter. This is the 1. And so how do I enter that? Well, I would enter the 10th month, 11th day, and 25. Sorry, this should not be there, this decimal. So the correct entry is 10 decimal point 1125. So I will do just that, 10 for the month of October, the 11th day of the year 2025. And there we are, so I enter. Now I go down and that's the days between dates, so I must click on compute. And there it is, 1,950 days. Now that's the number of days. Now watch carefully, I will click on clear once out of that menu, the date menu. I will divide by 365, convert days to years. Remember, you have this information here. 1 year is 365 days. Let's get rid of the other markings so you can see it clearly. So 1 year is 365 days. So that is what I divided the days between dates by. And I got this number right here. Now to make it to calculate n, I will click on second n and enter it. I click on n. Now this is the future value, remember, of the money. Okay, so that is the future value. So we should be careful and mark it in. So let's go. Future value of the money is 83,800. So we can put that in, but let's put it in then. 83,800. I will put it in as negative for the future value. Now I haven't put in the interest rate. That interest rate is right down here, 3.15. Right, so I will put that in. 3.15. There's interest rate. Present value is what I want to compute, and for payment I will put in 0. So payment equals to 0. Okay, so I go 0 payment. Now I can compute. Now let me put that in there for you. I will now proceed to compute. So I will compute the value. Sorry, wrong. I will compute the present. There. Let's get that present value. Okay, so that is what I will compute. So I click on CPT, then I click on present value, and that is the answer. $70,866.97. Now I can make that two decimal places by simply going into second decimal point, click on 2, enter, and I exit. Then I recall the value for the present value. So that is the answer. If you are following, that would be the answer. So the present value is equal to $70,866.97.